previous sections related to the import, display and checking of survey data. We are now going to look at the range of design tools available within MX Road, but first we need to look at the string naming convention, or SNC. The master string or primary access is named by the user and will be the reference string for the MX Road templates. All other strings will be named by MX Road and are defined within the library templates by feature type from the feature set mxroad.fns. This means the fully defined string naming convention lets you get on with the design, although it is mandatory that the MX Road feature name set is associated with the design model. String labels have 4 characters. The first character is the carriageway component, M for master string, C for carriageway. The second character defines the type of feature, so MC would be a master string centerline, CE would be a carriageway edge. The most important character is the third. This defines the road identity. This can be within the range 0 to 9 and A to Z, so there can be up to 36 separate roads within an MX Road model. If more are required, a new design model would need to be created. The fourth character defines which side of the road the feature is, working outwards. 0 to 9 and A to H indicate the left side, while I to Z are strings to the right. All road chainage lines are master strings, and for example, this primary axis could be named MC10. Remember, every feature designed off MC10 will have the same third character. So the first channel design to the left could have a label of CE10, C for carriageway, E for edge, 1 for the road identity and 0 for the first occurrence to the left. Similarly, the first channel on the right would have the string label CE1I. Convention is very useful when deleting string groups. If I select the string name, which is MC10 or 10 from the screen, every carriageway edge will have the same third character, which is 1. If I select carriageway, I can choose whether it is the left or the right side or both sides of the master string for the carriageway edge deletion. If I hit apply, the carriageway edges are removed. If I uncheck carriageway and go to shoulder, if I go left side, again because of the string name convention, MX Road will know only to delete the shoulder on the left hand side of this master string. That's the left hand side gone. I'll now repeat this on the right side and apply. The shoulder has now been deleted.